waters have ceased from the gate, the young men from their music, the joy of hearts has ceased, and our dance is turned to mourning. The crown is falling from our heads. Woe unto us, for that we have sinned, for this our heart is faint. For these things our eyes are dim, but thou, Lord, remaineth forever. Thy throne from generation to generation. Wherefore dost thou forget us forever and forsake us so long time? Turn thou us, O Lord, unto thee, O Lord, and we shall be turned. Renew our days as the days of old, for wilt thou utterly reject us?